All right, what's up? I'm Reggie, I'm a founder of Mantry. I wanted to make this video because I didn't find it anywhere else on YouTube. I've been running Mantry for 10 years. We're a food subscription box, and I don't see very much good information about tips on running a subscription box. So I've distilled, through 10 years of experience, 5 fast tips about if you're wanting to start your own subscription box or if you're running one. Okay, so this is distilled down. They're straight to the point. I'm kind of opening the kimono, so to speak, and telling you exactly some crucial things I've learned in the last 10 years. So number 1, read 2 books, Automatic Customer and read the book, The Goal by Goldratt. Automatic Customer is just all the math and basic understanding you need of having a subscription box. You know, your long-term value of a customer, cost of acquisition, just kind of understanding the numbers to pay attention to. And The Goal by Goldratt is about theory of constraints, and that is really how to hone your operations such that you don't have excess inventory and such that you don't get yourself in cash flow problems. I've read over 250 business books in this category. I'm telling you, those are the 2 to read. So maybe that saves you some time. Number 2, set your business up to be sustainable from a work perspective for yourself in order to do it year after year. When we first started Mantry, it was every month, 6 products in a box. We found cool different small batch food makers from around the country, put 6 products in a box and shipped it out. Every single month, so that's 72 products a year, month after month after month. It kind of got to be a grind by year 3 or 4, and we switched to every second month, okay? That was our cadence, that's what worked for us. Now, it's every 2 months, we ship 6 products in a box to our subscribers. There's 0 customization, there's 0 dietary, we don't have any different SKUs, we have 1 SKU, it's the Mantry, and it comes every 2 months. It's worked for us, it's stopped us from going crazy, and for a small team, that's the number that works. So for some people, that might be shipping quarterly. I've seen subscription boxes that ship twice a year. The point is when you have a subscriber, you want to be able to send them something awesome, and you want to be able to do it on time and something that's great. And you have to find out how much time you need to do that, okay? Subscription boxes do not have to be every month. I repeat, they don't have to be every month. And a lot of the times that's unsustainable. And you also don't have to offer a jerky box and a hot sauce box and then a mustard box. It's okay to just be like, we have 1 SKU, we don't do any customization, it's worked for us. Just do what is gonna keep you calm and enjoy working in your business. Number 3, just stock 10% less than what you think you're gonna sell, okay? Nothing will screw up your business like excess inventory, especially in a subscription box, because when you have customers who have already received a box and you have a bunch of those boxes, you have to sell only new customers to get rid of those boxes, okay? So if you're going into a big holiday, a Father's Day, a Christmas, whatever, where you think you're gonna move a bunch of boxes, just stock 10% less than you think you're gonna sell. Okay, even having a 20% overage in inventory will crush your cash flow and it'll screw a lot of things up. Most of this is covered in the book I mentioned, The Goal, but that's my advice. Just don't believe in yourself too much and stock 10% less than what you think you're gonna sell. That goes for basically any business also. Next up, we use Shopify as an e-commerce platform with a recharge plugin. I think it's like $9 for Shopify and $15 for recharge. We've used 4 or 5 different software arrangements. That's the one that works for us. Shopify is a great online store everyone knows about. Recharge is your subscription billing. They connect, it works. This is an important one, okay? Do not spend money on advertising in the beginning to attract new customers. Focus on press, okay? There are magazines, newspapers, online blogs, influencers, whatever you want to call them, who need to cover new things every single day. When you're new, when you're the new thing, when you're the new subscription box for pet toys, when you're the new subscription box for, mustard, when you're the new subscription box for NFT, playing cards, whatever it needs to be, you're new and people want to talk about you. Reach out to an editor, 1 sentence. Hey, I'm Reggie from Mantry. We're an awesome new subscription box that sends the best gourmet food in America to people's doors. Check us out. That's all you need to send. Just tell people you're out there. You're gonna get a little bit of blog. It's gonna be great, or you're gonna get a little bit of coverage. It's gonna be great for your SEO. It's gonna be great for a lot of things. The problem with online ads is unless you really, really know what you're doing, okay, it's throwing money down a well. My only caveat to this, or my only sort of distinction, would be if you know somebody like a close friend or a family member who works in an agency and makes paid advertisements and paid advertisement strategies for a living, and they're offering you their services for free, and all you have to do is put up the ad budget, then do that. But do not, by any means, in the beginning, spend your own money thinking you're gonna outsmart all the millions of people that try to throw money into the Facebook ad program or Instagram or TikTok or whatever. Focus on press, focus on organic growth, and focus on just literally taking care of your customers, as is mentioned in the book I mentioned, The Automatic Customer. So that's 5 tips. We're about 6 minutes. I don't wanna waste any more of your time. That's it.